Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we will do exercise 1.5. Students, before doing this exercise, I will tell you some basic things relating to this exercise. As you can see, in first sum there is even numbers and here is the sum relating to odd numbers. So before doing these sums, I will tell you what are the even numbers and what are the odd numbers. So students, take your books and notebooks with you and here we start. Yes students, even numbers and odd numbers. For example, one number is given to us. Yes, and one more number is given to us. Yes, and we will tell that these numbers are even numbers and which number is odd number from these numbers. Yes, for observing even and odd, we will observe ones place digit. As you know, the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand. We will observe ones place digit. Here is 8 and here you can see it is 9. Yes, so when ones place digit is 0, 1, when ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. When ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then the number will be even number. And here you can see in ones place digit it is 8. Yes, so this number is even number. So this number is even number. 1048 is even number. If ones place digit is not 02468, it is other than these numbers, and here you can see it is 9. It is not 0, it is not 2, not 4, not 6, not 8, it is 9. So this number 1359, this number is odd number. This number is odd number. And you can see here I will write the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 1, it is odd number. This is odd number. Then next odd number is 3. This is also odd. Next odd number is 5. Next odd number is 7. Next odd is 9. Yes, and with this these will be continue. And here you can observe the odd numbers are coming with the difference of 2. 1 plus 2, 3. Next odd number is 3. Then 3 plus 2, 5. Then next odd number is 5. Then 5 plus 2, 7. Then next odd number is 7. Then 7 plus 2, 9. Then next odd number is 9. And same is here. 2 is even number. 2 is even number. Then next even number is 4. Then next even is 6. Then next even is 8. Then next even is 10. And here you can observe all the even numbers are also coming with the gap of 2. When 2 plus 2 is done, 4 is there, then next 2 is done, 6 is there, then next 2, 8, then next even number 10 is there. So we can say all the odd numbers and all the even numbers are with the gap of 2. Yes, now we will do sum number 1. Yes, what to do here? Write all the even numbers between the two numbers. Yes, first number is given 1046 and next number is given 1060, and here in the boxes we have to fill all the even numbers. As already told you, I told you that the even numbers or odd numbers, they are coming with the gap of 2. So here 1046 is there. So here what even number will be there? All the even numbers are coming with the gap of 2, and when we will add 2 in 1046, we will get next even number, and this number when we add 2 in this number, we will get next even number, and like this we will get all the even numbers. Yes, now 1046 is there. Yes, first sum A part 1046 is there. After that 1 2 3 4 5 6 blanks are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and after that 1060 is there, and here in the blanks we have to write all the even numbers, and all the even numbers are coming with the gap of 2. First of all, 1046 plus 2, 6 and 2 8, here 4, here 0, here 1. Like this we got next even number. So in first blank what will be there? 1048. Now 1048, when we will add 2 in 1048, we will get next number. Yes, 8 and 2 10, 1 carry, 4 and 1 5, here 0, here 1. We will get 1050. Next, when we will add 2, we will get 1052. Then next we will get 1054. Next we will get 1056, and next number we will get 1058, and then 1058 plus 2 we will get 1060. Yes. Now first part we have done, B part you will do by yourself in the same way. Yes, and here second sum you will also do by yourself. Here even numbers are coming with the gap of 2. We were adding 2 to get the next even number, and we will also add 2 to get the next odd number. Means 5237 is there. Yes, we will add 2, so we will get 5239, next odd number. Yes, now next odd number 5239 plus 2, we will get 5241. Like this we will get all the odd numbers also. Yes, now you will do all these two parts also. Here two parts also you will do by yourself. These two also you will do by yourself. Now move to the third sum. Write the predecessor. Predecessor means before number, and the successor. Successor means after number. Yes, of the followings. Yes, here is we will do C part. 2468. Here we have to tell before number also. Before means predecessor, and after number also. After means successor. Yes, before number we will get by subtracting 1. 2468. Yes, minus 1. 2468 minus 1. 8 minus 1 7. Here 6. Here 4. Here 2. This is the before number. So what you will write here? 2467. Now after number means we will tell here successor. Successor, how we will find out? By adding 1. 2468 plus 1. 8 and 1 9, here 6, here 4, and here 2. 2469. So what will be the after number? 2469. Before predecessor we will get by subtracting 1 from here, and after successor we will get adding 1 in this number. Yes, now in this way you will do all these blanks. Yes, by before number you will get by subtracting 1, and after number you will get by adding 1 in this given number. Yes, now let's move to sum number 4. There is one number given to us, 8835. 8835. What is 1 more than 8835? 1 more than means one's place number will increase 1 more. Yes, so one's place digit is firstly 5, so it will become 6. 1 more means it will increase, ये बढ़ जाएगा. Yes, it will be next. Now 8836. 5's next is 6. So 1 more than this it will be 8836. One's place digit will increase by 1. It will be more than 1. Yes. Now what is 10 more than? 10 means 10's place digit. 10's place digit is 3. Yes. Now it will be 10 more means it will be become next digit. 3's next is 4. So it will become 8845. It will become 8 8 4 5. 1 more than ones place digit will be next, 10 more than tens place digit will be next, and 100 more than, obviously it will be 100 place digit will be next. Now 100 place digit is 8, it will be next, it will be 9. So it will become 8 9 3 5. 8 9 3 5. Yes. Now what is 1000 more than this? Now here where will be the change? In 1000 place digit. 1000 place digit will become next, it will become 9. Now 9 8 3 5. It will be 9 8 3 5. If 1 more is there, then 1's place digit will be next. If 10 more is there, then 10's place digit will be next. If 100 more is there, then 100 place digit will be next. If 1000 more is there, then 1000 place digit will be next digit. Yes. Now move to next sum number 5. Write the missing numbers in each case. Count by tens. Count by tens. So the change will be in tens place digit. Here you can see 4 1 3 5 is there. Count by tens is there. So tens place digit will change every time. Yes. Now next is 4 1 4 5. Here tens place digit is 3. Next time tens place digit is 4. Other digits are remaining same. Then next time tens place digit is 5. Then next time tens place digit is 6. Then what will be in the blank? It will be 7. Tens place digit will be 7. The next tens place digit will be 8. The next tens place digit will be 9. Yes, counting by tens. Then change will be in tens place digit. Yes. Now count by hundreds. Here the change will be in 100 place digit. Here you can see 100 place digit is 7. Next time it is 8. Next time it is 9. Next time it is 10. 1 increased from here and here is 0. Next time in place of 0 it will be 1. Then next in place of 1 it will be 2. Then next in place of 2 it will be 3. Because in counting by 100, change will be in 100 place digit. Other digits will remain as it is. Yes. Now count by thousands. Count by thousands. Now the change will be in 1000 place digit. 1000 place digit is here 1. Next time it will be 2. Next time it is 3. Then next it is 4. Then next it will be 5. Then in next number it will be 6. Then in next it will be 7. Like this, these will be counted by 1000. Yes friends, hope you have understood all these concepts. Do the sums in the maths notebook and do the revision properly also. Yes, with my best wishes. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.